Hello children, welcome to today's class. Hope you are peak of your health. So let's start our today's class. Let's recap what we have done in our previous class. Children, in our previous class we have done MS Office. MS Office is a desktop application that is designed specifically to be used for office or business use proprietary product of Microsoft Corporation. It released in 1990. It mainly consists of 4 components: MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access and MS PowerPoint. Okay children, before we study about MS Word, we should learn about MS Office. So already I have described MS Office. First here we discuss MS Word. MS Word often called Word. Okay. MS Word is used for create, edit and save and print the document. MS Word document containing text, picture, chart. Okay. Here table etc. Okay children, this look picture, chart, table etc. And in MS Word document you can check and correct spelling, okay, and grammatical error. Okay children, we can insert drawing, image, picture, page border, cover page etc. So let's come on the topic, our component of MS Word. Okay children, in my computer I have MS Word 2013 and here in this book they have 2010. So there are some changes. Okay, so let's try to understand according to your book. First, how can you open MS Word? First, click on Start, then All Program, then Office, Microsoft Office, and then click on Microsoft Word. Okay, in this way you can open your MS Word window. Children, your first component is File tab. You are able to see this is your file tab. Okay children, first I will tell you, top of the window there is written document 1 word. What is this children? This is your title bar. The title bar is displayed at the top of the MS Word window. This is your title bar and display the document name followed by the program name. In MS Word we prepare a file that called document. That's why in title bar this showing document 1 word. When you save your file, it changes the file name with extension .doc. Okay children, so title bar is displayed at the top of MS Word window and this have right side 3 most important button like minimize and then restore. Minimize button is used to reduce a window to a small icon on the taskbar and restore button is used to reduce a window down from the original size, and close button is close the current document. Okay, now come on File tab. File tab is located on the upper left corner. Upper, this is your right side, this is your left side. Left side corner of MS Word window. Okay, this file tab showing details of current document and showing different types of list of command such as new, you can see info, new, open, save as, print, share and so more. Okay, and next, quick access toolbar. Look on your page number 58, quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar is located at the top left of the title bar of the MS Word window. This side here is given Word window. Okay, in this place in Word 2010 quick access toolbar is showing. Okay, so it contains button for most commonly used command. What are the most commonly used command? Like open, close, save as, new, etc. Okay, it is a customizable toolbar, means you can add or remove button from this toolbar. Next, status bar. Status bar is displayed at the bottom of MS Word window and give information about the current document. This is the status bar. This is the showing current document information. We are using this document, no? Document word, one word. This is showing current information. What we are using, like number of pages, here number of pages and words. Okay, view button and zoom slide bar. This is your zoom slide bar. This is plus minus. This is your zoom slide bar. Okay, children. Next, document window. This is your work area where cursor is blinking. Here is your cursor blinking, no? This is your work area. This is called your document area. A document is created in the document window. This is the area where we can type the text. You can type the text. Okay, just hello. Okay, next, view toolbar. This toolbar is located to right of the status bar and provide button to adjust the size of the document. Just this is okay. This view toolbar. This toolbar is located to right of the status bar and provide button to adjust the size of the document. Okay, children, you can adjust the size of the document. Next, dialog box launcher. These are small icons that appear in some groups. If we check these icons, a dialog box open that provide more options related to that groups. Dialog box launcher. And vertical horizontal ruler. Horizontal ruler, it is located at the top of the current window and is used to set the left and right margins, indent and tab. This here, insert, insert, and then children, this is your margin. Here select the type of margin, which type of margin, normal, narrow, moderate, wide, mirror, any type of margin you can set. Okay, and then vertical ruler. This, it is located left of the document window, used to set the top and bottom margin. It is used to set top this side top margin and bottom margin. The default top margin is 1 inch. Here 1 inch is the default top margin. Next, horizontal scroll bar and vertical scroll bar. It is located at the bottom of the window just above the status bar and is used to scroll the left or right. Horizontal scroll bar located at the bottom of document window just above the status bar, just above the status bar. This is the horizontal scroll bar and this is your vertical scroll bar. Okay. Ribbon is displayed just below the title bar. It contains the tab and command divided into groups. Children, look at page number 58, ribbons. There is a group of commands. Okay, just paste. In this group, cut, copy, paste, and font. Here is font type, font style, etc. So in ribbon, there is a commands divided into groups. Okay, children. Now, come on. What are the basic of MS Word? What are the basic of MS Word? Before we move the advanced features of MS Word, let us quickly revise basics such that saving, opening and closing our MS Word document. Okay, how can you open a document? What are the steps to open an already saved document? First, click on File tab and click on File tab, then click on Open option. Okay, then Open dialog box appear. Then select folder or drive. Here is given a recent document, drive or computer where you have saved your program. So click and then you got your program. Okay, then saving a document. How can you save your document? So what are the steps? Click on save option of quick access toolbar. You can save. Here is a quick access toolbar in Word 2010. So click on file, okay, and then click on save option and then give your file name and click on save button here. Okay, and next, creating a new document. How can you create a new document? So click on file, then click on new. There are many template. Okay, to create step to create a new document, click on File tab, then click on New and click on Blank Document. This is your blank document. Otherwise, you can click a template according to your preferred style. Okay, children, there are so more templates. You can choose according to your needs. And then our last option is here is closing a document. Closing a document. To close a document in Word 2010, click on File tab, okay, and then click on Close option. Okay, children, I hope you understood very well.